Hi guys, this is Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel. And today the bike in front of you is the all new Royal Enfield Meteor 350. So basically this bike is launched in three models, that is Supernova, which is in front of you, and Stellar as well as Fireball. The matte color is the Stellar model and the red color which you are seeing is the Fireball model. In this video we are going to talk about the main features of this bike, and basically this is a first look video. So in this video we will be covering all the features and new updates which are added in this vehicle. So let's get started with the video. Let me tell you one thing, this video is available in Telugu language, so those who want to see this video in Telugu, you can watch that video as well. I will leave the link in iCard, so do watch that video if you want to see this video in Telugu. So this is the all new Meteor 350, which is 350cc. That means it has 349cc single cylinder, that is air oil cooled, which produces 20 bhp of power at 27 Newton meters of torque. This bike gives you a fresh look to the Royal Enfield company, and if you can see the tank logo, the logo is different from the previous model. You get a 3D type of embossed logo on Supernova model as well as Stellar model, and there are multiple colors that have been added. And if you can see the Supernova blue, the black is in combination with the gray and blue. And if you can see the side panel, the Meteor logo is placed here with dual colors. And if you can see this is a saddle stair where you can keep your luggage on this. So this is actually a good addition to this vehicle. Each and every part, almost the entire body, has a lot of chrome inserts, fuel lid, handlebar ends. So lot of chrome inserts have been given. Let's talk about the headlamp. You got round DRL LED, which kindly resembles the old Royal Enfield Thunderbird, which has a short round LED, but this bike has a big round DRL. And basically this it doesn't get any LED headlamp, but still you got halogen bulb as well as halogen bulbs. And on the front section you can see regular telescopic suspension. And let's talk about the wheels. You got 100 section wheel in the front with 300 disc as well as dual channel ABS. So basically this bike gets a dual channel ABS, which is a great addition to this vehicle. And the disc size is also big when compared with other models. The rear disc is also given in big size, that is 270 which is very big for this cruiser model. Tire section is 140, which is very big. And alloy wheels also looks very good, like you get a textured kind of aluminum brush finish, which actually looks very good on this vehicle. And there is a 6-step adjustable rear suspension, so you get dual shock absorbers. To the gearbox, this gearbox provides 5-speed transmission, and the position of foot pegs is pushed slightly forward so that you can get that relaxed type of riding comfort while you are taking this bike in highways. And seating comfort is also very good. And if you consider this top model Supernova, you get backrest as well. And the design on the backrest also pretty decent, like a Royal Enfield 3D type of logo is embossed at the back of the backrest, which looks very good. It's a regular round shaped tail light as well as halogen bulb. Now let's talk about the instrument cluster. And there is an I button on the left side switch. If you click the I button, you can change the odometer, trip A, trip B. So each and every toggle information can be changed from that I switch. And if you can see the switches are little bit different. You got a round shaped switch which has high beam, low beam as well as pass switch. And you got regular indicators as well as horn. And coming to the right side, there is the same design, round shaped design, which is carried out, which includes engine cutoff, fuel injection on, electric start. There is also a hazard light switch which is standard on this vehicle, so there is no need to install any aftermarket hazard light on this vehicle, which is a very good touch for this Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Let's consider the differences between the Supernova, Stellar and Fireball. So these are the three models actually launched in this Meteor 350 category. And the bike in front of you is the matte black color, which comes under Stellar model. And the red color is the basic model, which looks exactly like the previous Thunderbird X model. So if you consider this vehicle, this almost looks same like an old Thunderbird X. You are a person who loves matte black, and then this is the bike for you. You got lot of chrome inserts on this vehicle like exhaust, handlebar tips, fuel lid, mirrors, instrumentation gauge. So a lot of chrome inserts are given in this middle segment as well, and you also get a backrest for that. And if you consider the basic model, you got only the plain black color without any chrome finishes, and you don't get any backrest on the basic model. And now let's talk about its pricing. This bike is priced at rupees 2 lakhs on road price for the basic model, and 2,20,000 for the top end model. That is the Supernova, which is in front of you. That is the Supernova Blue. So basically this bike is ranged between 2 lakhs to 2,20,000 on road Hyderabad, and this on road prices will be different depending upon place to place. And first ride impressions, ride review, each and everything will be coming up in following videos. So stay connected to my channel, and if you want to talk to me, you can message me on Instagram. And those are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravi Kiran signing off.